Hello, welcome to Candid Lab channel. Today I will be doing Reoon Yellowpages Scraper. Just recently I found this tool on Appsumo and it looks very promising to me, considering two factors: that this tool has a lot of positive reviews already, 39 and almost 5 tacos. And one more reason to be excited about this tool is that the creator of this tool has another pretty popular software listed on Appsumo. It is Email Verifier, which has almost 400 very positive reviews. So I have high hopes on this Reoon Yellowpages Scraper. So in 10 seconds, what is it? This is a software which will scrape data from very popular websites and will be able to give you email addresses, phone numbers for the target audience that you are looking for. Let it be restaurants, dentists in your state, city, or country. Let's quickly check what is included in Reoon Yellowpages Scraper Appsumo deal. At the moment, they target several countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, and Switzerland. And they support contacts from those countries by scraping data from very popular Yellowpages sites per that country. For example, yellowpages.com in United States. If you'll take a look at their monthly estimated traffic, it's about 16 million users per month, which is a lot. At the moment, you can see these sites which are supported: yellowpages.com, yell.com, thomsoncall.com, yellowpages.ca, gelbesaiten.de for Germany, local.ch for Switzerland, and they promise to add more sites in the future. So this lead scraper has a lot of very positive reviews, so I scrolled through some of those to find some points of dissatisfaction from the users. And what I found was just some minor improvements, like the tool might produce duplicates if you will type in California and CA at the same time. So in your request for the contacts, we need to add just auto shop or car repair, not both, just to avoid duplicates. So this software comes as a standalone application which you need to download to your computer. Windows and Mac are supported. And basically you get unlimited scraping data capabilities. This is a one-time purchase which gives you ability to use this software on one computer. Here is a quick look at their landing page for this product. Just to reiterate, you can get emails, phones, and social media information for your potential clients. And this is the data that you can expect in the scraping results: location, company name, category like restaurant or dentist, profile URL, full address, phone number, email address, even reviews and ratings, social media profiles from website, and more. This is their usual plan. It goes as $27 per month, and on Appsumo you get this deal for $85 for life as one-time purchase. Alright, so let's start the review and demo of Reoon Yellowpages Scraper. This is their application. There are several sections: welcome page, scraping page, results, and about. And let's test. Let's imagine you're creating a website or a blog which is targeted for dentists, and let's say for dentists in New York. So let's look for a dentist. We can import locations from a TXT or CSV file. We can type it here. Let it be New York. Regarding locations, by this link, you will be given the list of all possible locations for United States. So for New York, we can see the code is NY. Let's skip it and let's start. Okay, so when I pressed start scrolling, it gave me additional information. So you have two choices how you can scrape the data. The fastest option will give you email and phone number for this business directly from Yellow Pages. And additionally, this tool can scrape data from business websites, links to which it will find on Yellow Pages. So let's start with quick option, and then we can enhance the data by scroll previous CSV button. Let's disable to increase speed. And here it is. It was almost instant. On a free plan, I have limits for profiles to be checked. So in Appsumo module, you will not have that restriction. And we already have a lot of very useful information. Link to the business, phone number. Regarding email, we didn't get a lot, so I think additional scraping will be required. Now let's export data to CSV. Okay, file was saved. Now let's test additional feature. We can enhance data with crawling business websites directly. You actually can do that in one step, but that will be slower. I just wanted to showcase you that you have options. So let's crawl previously scraped CSV. Let's edit. Okay, we can see it's running and actually completed. Also, we can see additional information like email, which was not present previously. So that was very quick. I believe it is a great thing that they focus just on several very popular websites like Yellow Pages, Yellow.com. We didn't get emails for all of the sites. It could mean that the owners didn't provide that, or it was hard to find. But anyway, without any limits, you will have hundreds of potential contacts if you will have Appsumo deal. And we can quickly check some of the data. We can see the direct link to Yellow Page. Here it is, a dentist from New York. I think that's great. And of course, we can export the data into CSV or XLSX formats. So now, having a data exported, you can use additional softwares to verify emails, to see if you can actually deliver to those emails. And please check the link in the description. I plan to add a review of Reoon email verifier from the same vendor. So, moving to the conclusion. This software is pretty simple yet powerful because it has a narrow focus to support one of the most popular Yellow Pages sites per country. They are very honest and direct about what they support. You can see if this will suit your needs. Software was quick and easy to use. It was also very quick. It also has some additional features, like you can only scrape emails from a defined list, like Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo. You are given results in a CSV or Excel format, so you can upload it to your Google Docs, for example, and configure some automation to verify emails or give the list of the phone numbers to make a phone call campaign or run your cold email marketing campaign. Alright, to get this software, please check the link in the description below or scan QR code that you can see right now on the screen. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.